Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video we'll walk you through the simple process of creating a public calendar in Salesforce Lightning. Public calendars are a powerful way to share events across your organization, whether you're tracking company holidays, project deadlines, or team meetings. And instead of managing separate personal calendars, everyone can stay aligned with a single shared calendar that's easy to update and to access. And when you're done learning how to create and share a public calendar, we've got another video coming up that will show you how to manage calendar permissions and use resource calendars to optimize scheduling. It even introduces advanced tips for managing shared events so your teams can work more efficiently. Be sure to check out that after this, and let's dive in. So let's open Setup. So from anywhere in Salesforce, click the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and select Setup. This takes you to the setup area where you can configure calendars, objects, and other system settings. In step 2, we're going to navigate to the public calendars in the resources. In the quick find box on the left-hand side, type public calendars and resources. Click it from the search results to open the setup page. Step 3, create a new calendar. On the public calendar and resource page, click New, and in the dialog box, enter a name for your calendar. For example, project deadlines, marketing campaigns, or company holidays. Add a description so users know the purpose of the calendar. Check the active box to make it available for use, and finally, click Save. Step 4, share the calendar with users, and after creating the calendar, you'll want to make sure the right people have access. Open the calendar that you just created and click Sharing. Add users, roles, or public groups. Also assign view only if you want them to see events but not be able to make changes. Assign full access if you want them to be able to create, edit, and also delete events. And click Save to apply the sharing settings. Step 5, add the calendar in Lightning Experience. So we're going to add this calendar to your view in Lightning. So from the app launcher, the 3x3 grid or the 9-dot grid, search for and open Calendar. In the calendar screen, click the gear icon and choose Add Calendar. Select Public Calendars and Resources. And choose the calendar that you just created and click Add. You'll now see your new public calendar appear alongside your personal calendar. Now in step 6, we're going to add events to the public calendar. Adding events is very simple. In the calendar view, click on a date within the public calendar. Enter the event details, so this would be things like the meeting name, the time, and the description. Save it, and the event will now appear on the shared calendar for everyone who has access to it. And that's it. So today we've just scratched the surface today. On the screen and in the description, I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist. I've also added a short video that walks you through advanced calendar management, including resource calendars and best practices for permissions. Please check out the Master Salesforce Calendar video and spend just a few more minutes with us. We promise to help you take your Salesforce experience to the next level in your company. Finally, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.